bone. Alright, y'all. My coworker made me some chicken adobo. I have not had chicken adobo in so long. If you don't know what chicken adobo is, Filipino chicken in a soy sauce and vinegar broth. Let's give this a try. Okay. Alright, she used some chicken wings here. Tender. That's tender. Sweet, sour, fall off the bone. Like, I don't even have to try. The only thing I don't like is that she uses whole peppercorns in here. I don't like that. I prefer like just ground up pepper. Peppercorn infused in broth is good, but I prefer to fish it out only because when you bite into it, it's a little unpleasant. Look at that. Onion, garlic, glistening. It is so good. Love my coworkers. Delicious. I love it. Chicken adobo, so good. I even like it with pork too. So good too.